Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are back in Las Vegas, and this time we are staying at Caesar's Palace. This is my first time staying in this Caesar's property, and today I'm going to give you a look at two different rooms in the Augustus Towers. One on a higher floor, which is this one. We are on the 32nd floor, and then I will also give you a peek at a lower floor, the exact same room on the 23rd floor. So identical rooms, but here's what you're going to get. Very spacious room. As you can see, fully stocked fridge with some snacks above. Let me tell you something about these fridges. They are packed full. You're going to get charged if you use the products inside. Also, maybe if you move the products because they are weighted. And you will also get charged if you put your own products in the refrigerator. So keep that in mind. There is a little coffee machine in the room. You can purchase the coffee pods for that. But again, I would just be wary of that and get your coffee downstairs. There's a Starbucks right at the bottom of this elevator, and you can order right on your mobile app or use your Caesar's rewards to get those. So as you can see, really nice spacious room, lots of storage, great big closets here. Got your safe. The bathroom is incredible. I will say super clean, nice big shower, nice big jetted tub. Really, really like these bathrooms. I actually really like this entire room, really. It did feel really clean, as I said, and then just kind of the carpet seemed new. You have a little bathroom in here that shuts off to the rest of the bathroom. So this is a cool property. I was really, really impressed and happy with the rooms and the layout. And especially this tower gives you really easy access to the front of the hotel, the exit on the Bellagio side. And then I'm going to give you a peek at this view because it is incredible. This is looking out towards Planet Hollywood. You can see Paris. Bellagio is right next door. Really, really great view. Important though, the higher up you are, the better this view is going to be. So we're going to wait for those fountains to go off so I can show you why. There. So as you can see, really, really great way to just get a view down the strip. You can see Paris right there, Planet Hollywood, Cosmo, Bellagio, everything within walking distance. And as I mentioned, the location of this tower will put you in a great position to just go down in the hotel, exit to the right over to the Bellagio. You can easily cross the street over to all the other properties, but this view is incredible, right? Really great during the day as well, but to be able to watch those fountains go off at night is pretty cool too. So now we're going to switch gears and show you the exact same room on the 23rd floor. So I will run you through this room really quick. It is literally just a few floors below the one I just showed you. Almost identical, not too much difference in the rooms. You have that same little mini bar fridge set up here. Again, they're going to get you if you use this. So proceed with caution. They're even going to get you if you store something in here. So great to have in case you have an urge to drink a soda, drink a beer, whatnot. But also there's a huge casino downstairs full of this type of thing. So I would grab an ice bucket and just chill your stuff on ice. That's my suggestion there. But again, these rooms are really nice, super spacious, like this little sitting area over here. And you might actually even be able to hear it. But the difference in this room versus the one that's much higher, not only is the view quite a bit more obstructed, but you have the street level out here. And so the noise comes in a lot more from that traffic. I'm going to try and make it darker in here to show you a better look at this view. It's still great. You have the Bellagio right there, nice peek down the strip, but as you can see, you're kind of looking at a wall and then the street right there. And the street noise does come up a little bit. But again, great location, great hotel property. Get as high up as you can. with these rooms and the floor levels. Just be super nice to your check-in person, and you never know. But the higher up, the better, in my opinion. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.